In front of me is Motorola Moto G, and today I would like to show you how you can get and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. If you wish to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner right away. Then click on this gear at the top left corner after selecting Consent in the pop-up. Now you can click on one of those presets and select Yes to apply it, or just manage all of those settings. Wherever you decided, when you finished, click on the top right corner and the bottom one again. Then select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom right corner, and close Magic Fluids app. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!